you been violated or witnessed any human rights violations? Do you want to file a petition but are afraid to do so and have no idea who to turn to?
Thailand has laws and mechanisms to protect, promote, advise, monitor the situation, and collaborate in order to promote human rights for all of us.
The Constitution of the Kingdom of Thailand, Buddhist Era 2560, 2017, has established the National Human Rights Commission of Thailand, NHRC, as an independent organ under the Constitution. The Organic Act on the National Human Rights Commission, Buddhist Era 2560, AD 2017, or the NHRCT Organic Law, is also prescribed, which reaffirms the status of the National Human Rights Institution.
The main substance of the NHRCT Organic Law is clearly in compliance with the Paris Principles, a set of international minimum standards for national human rights institutions. Here are 10 facts in the NHRCT Organic Law that might be relevant to you.
1. Any person affected by or witnessing an act of human rights violation shall inform or submit a petition to the Commission without revealing his or her identity, except in the case where their personal interests are involved. 2. Upon receiving a petition, the NHRCT shall examine the matter in order to obtain correct facts and establish truth without delay. The NHRCT shall have the duties and powers to request or order a person or an agency to present a written statement of fact or to give oral statement to the NHRCT. 3. The NHRCT or the assigned person shall have the power to submit a petition or report human rights violation constituting a criminal offense in the case where the injured person is not in the position to submit or report such violation on his or her own. 4. In the event where a human rights violation deemed severe, urgent, or may put the life or security of the affected person in danger, the NHRCT may inform or order the competent authority or competent officer to provide assistance as they deem appropriate. 5. In an individual case of human rights violation, the NHRCT shall notify the concerned state or private agency to redress such human rights violation within a specific period of time and propose appropriate guideline for the prevention or redress as the case may be.
6. State and private agency shall cooperate and comply with measures or guidelines prescribed by the NHRCT. The NHRCT Organic Law also prescribes penalty on a non-compliance agency. 7. The NHRCT shall prepare an annual Human Rights Situation Assessment Report and annual NHRCT Performance Report within the specific period. In case there is an urgent situation or a situation that constitutes a serious rights violation, the NHRCT shall conduct an examination and report to the National Assembly and Council of Ministers. 8. The NHRCT shall not disclose any information which may establish the identity of the informant or petitioner, including the information obtained from actions taken under the NHRCT Organic Law, except for the purpose of performance according to the laws or the court orders. 9. The NHRCT members shall consult among themselves in performing the duties and exercising the powers. The performance of duties and exercise of powers shall be honest, just, courageous, impartial, and in conformity. They shall focus on problem solving in a systematic manner, while taking the happiness of the people and common interest of the country into consideration. 10. The Commission shall not accept a petition on the following 7 matters.
The Office of the National Human Rights Commission facilitates and supports actions taken by the Commission. The NHRCT Organic Law strictly prescribe the component and the selection process of the Commission to ensure that the Commission consists of persons who are politically impartial, have apparent knowledge and experience in the protection of rights and liberties of the people, represent pluralism, and include the participation of both men and women.
Let's strive to learn more about the National Human Rights Commission of Thailand, an important mechanism for human dignity, rights, liberties, and equality of all Thai people, because we are part of the mechanism for the protection, promotion, and creation of human rights culture in Thai society.